Hello, this is Ami Diamond. In this episode, I'd like to show you how can you identify there's several types of pages. You can create a normal page where we go to new and then we just choose a page, and we can create also news posts and news links. So the behavior is different, and sometimes there's a way that you can identify between them. So let's first create a page, a regular page, and we will just give it a name. Let's call it page Ami, and I will just save it as a draft. I will go now to the pages, and I will look for something that can let me know what type. So it's not that clear. What we can do is to actually add an existing column. I'll go to add column and show and hide, and we will look for a column called promoted state. Let's look for it. Where is it? PPP. Let's promoted state. Okay, now when I apply it, you see there's the numbers 0 and 2. So the page I created actually was not published, so it's now in the status 0. Let's see what happens if I publish it. So you see it's a draft, and if I publish it, okay, now let's go back to the pages, and I see actually that page Ami is 0. So the conclusion is, if it's a page, no matter if it's published or not, you will have promoted state 0. Now let's try to create a news page. Just a second. So I will go to new, and I will choose a news post. Let's choose some template. Let's call this news 123, and let's just save it as a draft. Let's go back. So news 123 is the new page. You see, because it's unpublished, we get a 1. So let's see what happens when we publish it. I'll publish it, and what do you think? Actually, it changed to 2. Now the same behavior is if we create a news link. So we'll create a news link. Let's just copy a URL. It just asks for, so let's just save it and post it. Now let's see what happens. We see the new. We see actually that the status is 2. So what happens in conclusion? This promoted state gives us some explanation, and let's summarize. So 0 is for regular pages, no matter if it's published or not. Status 1 is either a news link or a news post if it's only a draft, and if it's published, then it will have a status 2. So this gives us a way to identify, and by the way, we can also make a view, so we can just group it by the states, and actually you see that we have 0, 2, and 1, and the home page is actually has no state because it's, I guess, a special case. So this is what I wanted to show you, and now you can identify what type of pages do we have in the site pages. See you in the next episode, and subscribe to my channel if you like it.